This is my beloved Tamiya Lunchbox, and after fitting the double wishbone suspension, I sat back to enjoy myself. But something was wrong.
I've come from the future to tell you. We put the steering on back to front. To the workshop.
After my last video, I couldn't work out why the wheels were funny, as I'll show you in this clip. But it turns out that I put the steering on the wrong way around, which was a bit stupid really. So I'll just show you what I mean. Well, these steering arms facing the wrong way, they should be facing that way. So that's probably why I've been getting some weird angles on the wheels. I thought it was just something to do with these being longer, these needing to be extended, but that's probably wrong. So I'm going to have to turn those around and see what it turns out like, see if it was that, or whether it's just a flaw in the Lunchbox's makeup. The other thing I'm going to do in this video as well, when I can find it, is change the motor. Might as well do something else while I'm on it. So we're going to see how that goes with this new motor on. Right, I'll get started on that then. Let's see what this looks like then. Looks better already. Ah. Hang on. That's how it should look, isn't it? Sorry about that, got that wrong. I need to just recenter the servo again, because it's off slightly. I'll do that now. So we'll give it a run and see how it works. Okay, so here's the damage. The 3D arm that we printed snapped. As you can see on that video, because we ran into a rock, but so you can't really blame it. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill down into here, put some rods in, and just see if we can glue it back together for now until I get some new ones 3D printed. So I'll try that, and then I'll fit the motor, and then do another speed test just to compare it with the one I've just done. So we'll do that now. So this is the plant. I'm going to do something like that in each one of them, and then glue it together, and it should be a bit stronger than it was before, so quite a good thing it happened. Anyway, I'll just go and cut some of these. I did think, and I didn't really think it through, that it would all just fit together like that. But I did think it would fit together like that, but obviously that's going at a different angle, so I didn't really think of that. So I will take this one out. Just have to have strengthening bars just on that one, and glue the other bit like that. So I think that's probably the only way I can do it. Well, it's definitely the only way I can do it. So let's get that glued up. Okay, there it is. Badly broken leg. You can just see it very well there. Right, I'll get that back on. we are back to new. Perfectly good. I so enjoyed fitting that. That's such an enjoyable thing to do, to fix something. Okay, let's get the motor off then. So you can see in there, there's those two screws need to come off before we can change this motor. So this is the motor that I've got. It's what is it? E-tronics. It's a 21 turn motor. That's all I know about it. 551 brushed motor, 21 turn. I think it looks really nice. It's probably a waste me putting it on mine because it'll get all dirty, but it's quite a nice looking motor. Sports tuned, it says. Okay, that's done. So let's go out and test it, see if it's faster than the old motor. So there it is. It wasn't any better. Didn't make a difference. Now I'm disappointed that I broke the steering arms again, but hey, it's all fun, isn't it? I enjoyed fixing it. But yeah, let me know what motors or batteries that you use to make your lunchbox go quicker. I want to hear the comments. So like and subscribe, and here's some more rowing video.